Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Belai Smart, the channel that's your ultimate sidekick in the epic saga of making wise purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums that also mop. It's the Tikom robot vacuum and mop versus the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo. Ready to see these little cleaning warriors duke it out? Let's get this cleaning party started. First up, let's talk about the price. Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop will set you back $299. Not bad, right? But hold on to your wallets because XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo swoops in at a cool $269. That's $30 saved. Reviewers appreciate the cost-effectiveness of both models, with many noting that XIEBro offers a great deal for its price. Now, on to the suction power. Tikom struts in with a whopping 2700 PA. It's like a mini tornado in your living room. Meanwhile, XIEBro offers a respectable 1600 PA. It's like a polite breeze, but hey, sometimes you just need a gentle touch, right? Reviewers of Tikom praise its strong suction, making it excellent for deep cleaning, while XIEBro users find it sufficient for everyday dust and debris. Mopping time. Tikom's got a high-tech, electronically controlled water pump with adjustable 3-level water output. It's like having a barista for your floors. One splash of water, please. XIEBro, on the other hand, has a 200 milliliters water tank with 2-speed water outlet modes. It's like Tikom's little brother trying to keep up. Reviewers of Tikom appreciate its effective mopping feature, while XIEBro users note it gets the job done, but is less sophisticated. Navigation showdown. Tikom boasts gyroscope smart navigation with a zigzag path, which sounds like a dance move. It promises 30% more cleaning efficiency. XIEBro, though, has a 3D precise obstacle avoidance system. It's like a ninja, dodging white walls and stairs. Reviewers love Tikom's efficient navigation pattern, while XIEBro is praised for its ability to avoid obstacles effectively. Controlling these bad boys? Tikom's got an app, voice control, and a remote. You can boss it around through Alexa and Google Home. It even has 5 cleaning modes. 5. It's like a Swiss Army knife of cleaning. XIEBro also shines here with its Tuya Smart app, remote control, and yes, it talks to Google Assistant too. Plus, it's got 3 cleaning modes, which is still pretty cool. Reviewers find Tikom's multiple control options very versatile, while XIEBro is noted for its simplicity and ease of use. Battery life and charging. Tikom will keep going until it's tired, and then head home to recharge. XIEBro, with its 2,600 mAh battery, offers up to 100 minutes in quiet mode and automatically returns to charge when it's low. It's like a responsible teenager who knows when it's time to come home. Reviewers mention that Tikom has a decent battery life, but sometimes falls short, while XIEBro is appreciated for its reliable auto-return feature. Overall, Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is praised for its powerful suction and advanced mopping technology, making it a great choice for those who want thorough cleaning. XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, on the other hand, is appreciated for its budget-friendly price and reliable performance, making it a solid option for everyday cleaning tasks. So there you have it, folks. Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop and XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo both have their quirks and perks. Tikom's the powerhouse with all the bells and whistles, while XIEBro's the budget-friendly, reliable option. Which one's your cleaning hero? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.